I'm ready for this. I look like crap. Is it going?
Yeah.
Oh my god! I don't even know. Oh my god! Oh my Kaylee! Oh my lord! So pretty much,
Nick's an atheist.
so pretty much we were at Barnes & Noble for 4 hours today.
Yeah.
I bet they can't even hear us because our freaking music.
Okay, turn it down then.
I know. We were listening to Avenged Sevenfold.
The best. We went to their concert.
The concert. And then we touched. Hold on. I'll be back.
Praise the Lord. Okay. We went to Barnes & Noble
Shut
today. Yeah, it was pretty much the
Look at the
best.
chickens. 69.
69. 69.
Up there. They got. Oh. I'll dip you in lemonade until milk does it for your boobies.
Oh. I'm witchy.
I gotta find the picture of Jacoby.
Yeah, we touched Jacoby. Yeah.
Oh, little babies.
And I think we need a demonstration.
Oh my god. What? Oh yeah. Oh, little pretty dresses. Oh my god, I will never get to it because I take pictures of myself. We touched. Well, you can't even see it. Okay, we touched him. Look at my phone. It slides. We touched him. He's the lead singer of Pop. Oh my god. Oh, my mangina. Yeah, we touched him.
I really don't know. I really don't. I really don't. I'm just trying to clean your windows.
I'm just here to clean your windows.
Bitch, get out of my
house. I'm just here to clean your windows.
Bitch, you get out of my house.
Ow! My eye! Where's that thing? Look at the teeth thing.
Only goes up to 3 minutes, by the way.
Okay, then we gotta go. I love you. Woo!
Okay.
Ow! Stop the video now. Now I have to talk to you.